Good day, everyone. I am Gomez Intia Jr., Bachelor of Physical Education, and today I will talk about the second topic that I've learned in EdGO5, Learning in Assessment 2. So, let's talk about Chapter 2, Performance Assessment, and I will be discussing to you the characteristics of performance assessment. But first, let us define what is a performance assessment. So, performance assessment is also known as alternative or authentic assessment. Is a form of testing that requires students to perform a task rather than select an answer from a ready-made list. Performance assessments engage students in activities and tasks that require application of knowledge and skills through creating of a presentation or product. Performance is shorthand for performance-based or performance and product. And it can be simple or complex. For example, keyboarding skills or creating a remote controlled machine. And here are the characteristics of performance assessment. The first one is that students will perform. They will create, construct, produce, or do something. The second one, students will explain, justify, and defend what are their products or about their performance. They will explain or defend. The third one, students use reasoning skills. Fourth, uses engaging ideas of importance and substance. Fifth, typically no single correct answer. Yes, because it is a performance based and we cannot see a single correct answer in that one. For example, if a group of dancers will dance, we might see some errors or some mistakes from the groups, but we cannot see what are the correct answer in their performance. Number 6, requires sustained work. And lastly, use clear criteria and rubrics for scoring. And when we are using criteria and rubrics, we talk about holistic and analytic rubrics here. And if you are a teacher or a future teacher, please put in mind that when you are going to give a performance assessment to your students, make sure that the criteria and rubrics are given ahead of time so that the students will know what are the limitations and what are the things that they are going to do. Okay, remember that one. And here are some examples of performance assessments. So, examples of performance assessments includes composing a few sentences in an open-ended short response, developing a thorough analysis in an essay, conducting a laboratory investigation, curating a portfolio of studied student work, and completing an original research paper. You can also give to your students performance assessments like you will give them a dance routine. They can perform swimming, demonstrating the right way in dribbling, shooting, and passing in basketball game. And also you can also give you can let your students perform aerobics, but always remember that all of these things must have a criteria or a criteria for scoring rather. Okay, so that you have a guide, and also the students will be aware on the possible limitations and what are their targets in creating a product or a performance. And that's all. Thank you for listening.